What's good? We back with another video. It's been a long one. I've been all around the board. Haven't had a chance to go make it to my barber. Haven't had a chance to go out and take care of some little personal things I had to do because I got so backed up with a lot of work. We're gonna slide this back some here, look big as hell. So customer hit me up. They was doing DTF printing for a short period of time, and they printer took a crap on them. I recommend people say, hey, don't get that printer, but they got the printer. But it was too late because when they was telling me, hey, we purchased the printer, they met me a couple of days later, so it's already was going in process. So you run what you run. So we have the printer back here in the background. They said it was printing perfectly fine, and one day a lot of flashing lights came on. And what we did was had a conversation, told me what was going on and whatnot. So I said, okay, I kind of half-ass understand what your problem is. So they brought the printer by, and we went through the printer. We seen a couple issues. We tried a couple resets and a couple waste tank and maintenance and all this different type of stuff, so ink set and all this didn't work. And the printer was not reading so far as the USB connector. When you plug it in, it don't read. I went to the port, checked the connectivity, driver, everything worked perfectly fine. That was not the case. Went to the printer property, went back to the same spot, looked over some stuff. That was not the case. Uninstalled the driver, reinstalled the driver, put multiple printer cords, USB cords. Well, you know what I mean. Change the USB cords on the back of the printer would not connect to the printer to the actual computer. Did not work. So I said something is going on within the motherboard. So we're here. Let me show you guys what's going on real fast. Yeah, just check this out. So let me go ahead and show you guys what's up. So we have Pro Color right here, Pro Colored, and so this is an L1800 printer. It's nothing really fancy. Just a simple L1800. So did a couple tests. I went over here to the sensor that's on the side. You guys probably can see it's a sensor that's on the side that's right here. So we went, cleaned it out. It's on a little, I don't want to touch it, but you see this right here. It kind of like reads the sensor. Sometimes when you have all these flashing lights come on, that'll be a part dirty sensor. But in this case, it wasn't. It was not reading the actual USB port on this printer. And this is the motherboard that's down here. We're still doing the swap over. I did a couple different tests, and that led me to know that this is the corporate. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get that motherboard out of here, get this one swapped over, and we're going to see what type of traction that we can get. But for the price that he paid for this printer right here, he could have just bought a printer for me, a 24-inch printer, and it would have had way more print room than this little box area right here. But if you're just starting off, you don't know about, if you don't know, you don't know, so as they say, knowledge is power. So we got the printer up and taking it all apart. Got the rest of the printer sitting right here, the big old door right here with the little so go ahead and do a picture like this. It's probably gonna be a thumbnail, probably. Watch me holding this up, gonna be a thumbnail. But yeah, we had the printer top right here, the little cabinet door. It's a little nice, little cute little koala bear of a printer. But hopefully this happens. Hopefully this works and the printer's back up. It reads the USB, so I can go ahead and do an ink reset and go ahead and get the printer back up in motion. Hopefully we get it up in motion. They don't need a print head. So yeah. So y'all stay tuned for more. We still going. Bye bye.